Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a super easy dump and go pot roast meal. A new one I've never done before on this channel. It's going to consist of only a few ingredients that you probably have on hand, and if not, you can substitute for other things. So I'm going to show you what you need for that right now. You're going to need chuck roast. This is just a little over 2 pounds. That's usually what I always use, is like a 2-pound chuck roast. And you're going to need a can of cream of chicken, a packet of brown gravy mix, a packet of ranch seasoning, a half cup of beef broth or chicken broth. I'm going to just use some dried minced onion. That is what you're going to need. It's super easy. You will also need some pepper jack cheese. I do not have that and I don't really care for it, so I'm using Colby Jack instead, and I'm just going to sprinkle it with some pepper. And I've done this recipe before with Munster cheese and it came out just fine. So if you don't like cream of mushroom either, you could do cream of onion, cream of celery. You could even do cream of chicken if you'd like. So this is what you're going to need. It's super simple, and I am going to sear up my meat first, and I will get back to you when I'm ready to assemble it in the crock pot. Got my pot roast laid down at the bottom. It's nicely browned on all sides. I basically season the meat with some onion, salt, garlic powder, and pepper. I heat up the pan to a very high heat, put in some oil, I throw it in, and I let it sear for a good 2-3 minutes on each side just to get a nice crust. And that's going to lock in a lot of good flavor and also lock in some good juices to keep the meat nice and moist and tender. So to that, I'm going to add my can of cream of mushroom soup, my packet of ranch, or 3 tablespoons out of the canister, a brown gravy mix, or 3 tablespoons out of the canister, some dried minced onion. I'm also going to add a little bit of this minced garlic, my half cup of chicken broth, and your sliced cheese. I'm going to let this cook on low for about 6 to 8 hours. You could do high for 3 to 4 hours. And I will see you back when it's ready to serve up. This has been going for 6 hours on low, and it started shredding up real nicely. So I am going to make some potatoes to serve it over, and I will show you how it looks. Here's everything plated up. So I have the mashed potatoes and then the meat, and I just made some peas. It tastes really delicious and I really recommend this video. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.